Welcome to my honest review of the Ninyoon 4K Wi-Fi microscope for the iPhone, Android, or PC. It has a wide angle or long focal length and is capable of zooming from 50 times to 1000 times magnification. The Ninyoon is available in 3 different packages. The first one is at $39.99 with just the microscope itself. The second package would be with a carrying case, and the third one is with an upgraded stand. It also comes with a lifetime warranty at the time of this recording. So what is in the box? We have a manual, a calibration ruler, a chinty stand, and a very short micro USB cable. I suppose if you have to cut costs, why not cut it in the cable? Now, the microscope itself offers up to 4K resolution. It has a multi-function on and off switch / snapshot button, and just to the right is a dimming switch for the LED light, which comes in handy. On the opposite side of the device, we have a plus and minus sign with a magnifying glass around it, meaning that it is capable of zooming in and out. Only available on the mobile app, not on the PC app. Now that we're on the subject of applications, there are 2 methods to connect your device. One is through mobile, in which you would be using Wi-Fi to do that through the Wi-Fi Check mobile app. The other is via PC software, XploView, in which you can use either micro USB cable or Wi-Fi. Okay, so I do have one pet peeve about this software. It seems like it's just ancient, and as you can see on my screen, I have Elgato on there, which has nothing to do with Ninyoon 4K software. So my pet peeve is the fact that when you first start this software up or try to connect the device, anytime you have to go in here to these settings here, and every time it looks for something other than the device that I need, which is the general UVC camera, and then you have to do your settings every time. So it doesn't remember your settings whenever you open up the software. So it's kind of annoying, especially in a production environment when I'm trying to use this, that I have to go in here every time and set this up. So that is my big pet peeve about the software. Let's take a look into the actual performance of this microscope itself. Going from 50 times to 1000 times can easily be achieved by using the manual focus ring on the microscope itself. Now here you can see I'm zoomed in on this ring, and the detail is quite impressive actually. It zooms in fairly decent. Okay, so now we're looking at footage from the mobile app Wi-Fi Check, connected via Wi-Fi, and you can see here it is quite impressive, and this is the only way that you can use at first. When I first got the device, I was wondering what those 2 buttons, the zoom in and out, were doing, because they didn't work because I connected it to the PC, and they don't work on the PC, so they only work on the mobile app, and you can get substantially close with using those buttons in conjunction with the manual focus. Now, I bought this microscope in hopes to capture finer detail within my arts and crafts and jewelry, and I also was hoping that I could use it as an additional camera alongside my video production. And here you can see I'm using a third-party software called OBS in order to capture or use this microscope as an additional video camera, essentially. And I must say that I'm quite impressed with the fine detail that you can achieve with this microscope. Alright, so here's the skinny. Aside from the short micro USB cable and the chinty stand, perhaps the finicky focusing mechanism, all that being said, I give this product a 4.8. There's always room for improvement, and I get it, you need to cut corners somewhere, right? So why not the cable? Rather be the cable than the product itself. Now the product itself is fairly decently constructed. It's made out of plastic. Could it be a metal or anything? Yeah, but then you're looking. It would probably cost more money. So, as far as affordability goes, if you're just looking to get into an entry level microscope, I would say this is definitely the way to go. Additionally, I would definitely recommend the upgraded stand due to the fact that the one that it comes with is basically garbage. I mean, if you're looking to do biology and cure the next COVID virus, I would say then, yeah, look into a $10,000 microscope. But if you're just looking to zoom in closer to your coins, your crafts, like your jewelry and everything, this is definitely the way to go. It's 4K, it's the cheapest on the market. You can't beat it. So if you're watching this on my YouTube channel or just watching it through the review on Amazon, go to at Blaha Studios on YouTube, hit that like and share. And if you have any other questions regarding this product or any questions at all, please shoot me a message or put a comment down below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can.